Make sure you stay until the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Escape this generation right here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the AC clutch fuses are located, where you can find them. You have up to 3 different fuses in 2 different fuse boxes, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. And what's important, guys, to always test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say, guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So now the AC clutch fuses, guys, where they're located, we'll demonstrate on this generation Ford Escape here. This is the pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There might be some minor differences, but many of the things will be about the same. We'll share which fuses you need to check for both of those. Now you guys have 3 different fuse boxes in that SUV. We're working 2 of them. The first one, open, guys, okay, the passenger door. Once you do that, look under the glove box. Okay, and upside down under the dash you will find one soft carpet liner that attaches with 2 turning knobs. Remove them. Once you remove that carpet, you will get to the interior fuse box that's located right here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to always test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here we need to check, guys, 2 fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box. The fuse numbers will be indicated next to the fuses on the top right corner. Now the fuse that you need to check, okay, will be fuse number 71 right here. Fuse, okay, that 10M fuse right here, fuse number 71. Then you will need to check fuse number 88 as well, guys, right here. Next, you need to go ahead, open the hood on your Ford Escape. Once you do that, okay, facing the engine on the right side, you have a fuse box under that cover here. Go ahead, open it, and you will find that fuse box layout like this one. This is the engine fuse box layout. Here we need to zoom in. This will be towards the front of the vehicle, and we need to find one fuse which is known as fuse number 27, that 15M fuse right here. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.